Hello, my name is Pragnesh Shah. I am a civil engineer. I am PMP certified as well as the professional engineer. I am also Oracle certified trainer, and I also got my Primavera P6 implementation specialist certification from Oracle. I am working on Primavera since 2006. I am starting my online Primavera P6 training classes for the beginners as well as for the intermediate students who wants to learn basic as well as the advanced courses and who wants to build their career in project management field. Then this course is for you. Once you learn this course, you will be able to learn in Primavera how to create a project, what is work breakdown structure, how to add activity list, how to add resources, what is S curve, what about the baseline schedule. If you are interested to start this course, please contact me at 780-215-3476, or you can also use my flyer which is attached to this video. Thanks. Bye.